Good morning everyone, Math Grade 3, first term 21-22. We have here chapter 2, lesson 2, part 2, which is talk about multiplication facts of 2 and 5 and 10. Here we have count by 2, which means doubling or doubles.
Count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24.
Multiplication facts of 2, doubles or twos, it will be, yes, using our fingers is our first strategy after skip counting. Here we have in our fingers count from left here. From left here, this finger is the first finger. It will be 2 by 1, which means we have 2 parts only in this finger. It will be 2. Another 2 parts on this finger, it will be 4. Another 2 parts here, it will be 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Then in your fingers, we have here 2 by 1 equals 2, 2 by 2 equals 4, 2 by 3 equals 6, 2 by 4 equals 8, 2 by 5 equals 10, 2 by 6 equals 12, 2 by 7 equals 14, 2 by 8 equals 16, 2 by 9 equals 18, 2 by 10 equals 20. Just in your fingers, and divide your each finger in 2 parts only. Now, use your array to find multiples of 2. We have here small arrays to find our multiples of 2. Name of the first array is 2 by 1. As we learned before, 2 by 1 means 2 rows. Each row has 1 apple. Then we have here 2 rows. In each row we have 1 apple. From our addition equation, we have here 1 plus 1 equals 2. If you notice that 1 plus 1 is our double strategy from primary 2, then 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's called doubling. If we use our columns, it will be 1 column and has 2 apples only. It will be 2. Then in our multiplication equation from this name, it will be 2 by 1 equals 2. Second array, name of this array is 2 by 2. It means 2 rows. Each row has 2 apples. It will be like this: 2 plus 2 equals 4. If you notice that 2 plus 2 is a double because 2 is the same 2, then it's called doubling equals 4. If we use our columns, it will be like it in addition equation. It will be 2 plus 2 also equals 4. In our multiplication equation, it will be 2 by 2 equals 4. Good job. And the same in the third array, we have 2 by 3, 2 rows. Each row has 3 apples like this. And we can use repeated addition equation. It will be 3 plus 3 equal 6. And in our columns, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Then our multiplication equation will be 2 by 3 equals 6. In our fourth array, we have here 2 by 4. It means 2 rows. Each row has 4 apples. In our repeated addition equation of rows, we have in each row 4 apples. 4 plus 4, it means doubling. It will be 8. In our columns, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It will be 8. In our multiplication equation, it will be 2 by 4 equals 8 from our addition equation. Good job. Now you complete the rest of these arrays in your booklet, then complete with me. We deduce that multiplication facts of 2 is, yes, it's once a place has an even number. Always multiplication facts of 2 has an even number in its ones place. 2 by 1 equals 2, 2 by 2 equals 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. If you notice that we have all of these numbers are even numbers. Good job. Now let's go to learn multiplication facts of 5. Count by 5.
Count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
In our multiplication facts of 5, we can use our finger and use our song of counting by 5 from left to right. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. This is our ordinary song. 5, first finger it means 5 by 1. Second finger it means 5 by 2 equals 10. Third finger means 5 by 3 equals 15. 5 by 4 equals 20. 5 by 5 equals 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here we have 5 by 6 equals 30, 5 by 7 equals 35, 5 by 8 equals 40, 5 by 9 equals 45, and the last finger here 5 by 10 equals 50. 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50, and so on. Good job. Here we have use our 120 chart as an array to find our multiples of 5. To fill all of these multiples of 5, we can use our 120 chart. What did you notice? If I count by 5 on 120 chart, we will reach here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on until you reach 120. What did you notice here? We use only the middle column, and to the right of column is the multiples of 5. Okay, the middle column and to the right of column, and its ones place is 5 or 0. 5 or 0, as you noticed. Good job. Let's go now to fill our multiplication facts here. We have our name of this array. 5 by 1 equals 5, 5 by 2 equals 10, 5 by 3 equals 15, 5 by 4 equals 20, 5 by 5, 25, 5 by 6, 30, 5 by 7, 35, 5 by 8 equals 40, 5 by 9 equals 45, 5 by 10 equals 50. Good job. Now let's go to fill our table here. Multiplication facts of 5. It's once a place, as we noticed before, has 0 or 5. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Good job. Now let's go to multiplication facts of 10.
Everybody sing! 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens.
Now, multiplication facts of 10 on our fingers, beginning from left finger here. It will be like our song we listened before. It will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now each finger is a multiplication by 10. It will be 10 by 1, 10 by 2, 10 by 3, 10 by 4, 10 by 5. It will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10 by 6, 10 by 7, 10 by 8, 10 by 9, and 10 by 10. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good job. Now let's go to use our 120 chart as an array to find our multiples of 10. Here we have our arrays, and we have 120 short to find our multiples of 10. We want to, yes, jump 10 steps forward. Then we reach here to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on until you finished 120 short. What did you notice here? We notice that the multiples of 10, yes, has the first column on this 120 chart to the right of this 120 chart, and it's once a place always zero. It's once a place always zero, as we listened here before. Okay, then let's go to fill our multiplication equations here. It will be 10 by 1 equals 10, 10 by 2 equals 20, 10 by 3 equals 30, 10 by 4 equal 40, by 5 equal 50, by 6 equals 60, by 7 equals 70, by 8 equal 80, by 9 equal 90, by 10 equal 100. Good job. Now let's deduce our multiplication effects of 10, and from our noticing before, it's once a place value is it once a place is zero only. Zero only. Okay, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now we learn our timetables 2 and 5 and 10. Good job.